Hello guys, how's your quarantine going? Bored, right? Well, I know the fitness freaks and players must be getting crazy sitting at home, but don't worry, we got you covered. We are gonna show you some specific sports and some general sports workout, including various sports, muscles involved, exercise related to them. First, football. Major muscles involved are hamstring, glutes, quads. Now let's talk about exercises involving hamstring. First, reverse plank. For this exercise, you need to lay on ground with your back, hands in downward position with shoulder width apart. Now try to raise your hip above the ground to form a straight line. Second, squat jumps. For this exercise, keep your legs shoulder width apart, bend your knees till your hip is below sitting position. Now with all your power, jump with the arms above head and that's it. Now let's talk about exercises involving glutes. First, body weight squats. For this exercise, keep your legs shoulder width apart, bend your knees till your hip is below sitting position with your back straight. Now gradually rise till your legs are in starting position. Second, squats jumps. This is same as we talked about the exercise in hamstring section. Third, glute bridge. For this exercise, lie with your back on the ground, bend your knees at around 60 degrees. Now gradually raise your hip off the ground and go back. Wanna try a harder version? Try this with one leg perpendicular to the ground and using other leg to raise your hip off the ground. Now talking about the exercises involving quads. Exercise number 1. For this exercise, you need a stair or stool. Now all you need to do is to get up and down the stairs quickly in running motion. Second, real foot elevated squats. For this exercise, put one foot at some elevation and using your other leg perform squats. Third, lunges. You can do this with or without weights in your hand. Take one step forward such that back leg is at 45 degrees from the ground. Bend your front knee till 90 degrees, then get back to starting position. Number 2. Badminton. Major muscles involved are biceps, triceps and quads. Exercises involving biceps and triceps. First, towel curl. This is a good bicep exercise. For this, put some weights in a bag and fix a towel to it. Grab the towel and curl up arms with elbows fixed. Second, chin-ups. This is a good exercise to target inner biceps. Get in pull-up position but with hands shoulder width apart and grip with your finger folding towards you. Gradually use your biceps to lift yourself off the ground. Third, biceps curls. You will need a bucket filled with water. Grab the handle and curl up arms with your elbows and shoulders fixed. Fourth, tricep dips. For this exercise, you need an elevated platform. Place your hands at shoulder width and grab the platform. Extend your legs forward and gradually bend your elbows, targeting your triceps and shoulders, and then raise up. Fifth, diamond push-ups. First, form a diamond with your hand and put your hands on the ground at chest level. With your body straight and gently bend your elbows and perform a push-up. Now we will discuss some exercises involving quads. As we explained it earlier, so we will not gonna repeat it again, but here you can watch the clip and practice. Number 3. Hockey. The muscles and exercises involved are similar to football, so we will not make the video unreasonably lengthy by explaining it again. Number 4. Basketball. The major muscles involved are traps, shoulders and calf. Talking about exercises involving traps and shoulders. First, pike push-ups. For this exercise, get in push-up position, but instead of your body being straight, raise your hips above your head level and perform the push-up. Second, upright rows. For this exercise, fill a bucket with water, grab the handle by far ends and raise your hands straight in front of you till shoulder level. Now The exercises involving calf muscles. First, standing calf raise. Get in a stair or stool, bend your ankles, which will cause your calves to stretch, and then move your ankles upward, contracting your calves. Fifth, cricket. The major muscles involved are biceps, triceps, traps, shoulders, and hamstring. As we have already covered all these exercises earlier, we are gonna play these in sequence so that you can recall them and practice. The weights that you use, you should increase them after some times, and remember to perform 3 sets of each exercises with a repetition range of 8 to 12. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.